Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we dig deep into trending products and websites to find out if they're legit or just another scam you should avoid. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss our scam-busting updates. Today, we're reviewing Uchiha Watches. These watches are getting a lot of attention online, mainly because of their flashy designs, anime-inspired themes, and unbelievably low prices. But the big question is, are Uchiha watches legit, or are they just another scam targeting anime fans and watch lovers? When you land on the Uchiha Watches website, the first thing you'll notice is the heavy Naruto-inspired branding. They market themselves as offering premium anime-themed watches at big discounts. The site looks attractive, but remember, looks can be deceiving. Scammers often use professional-looking sites to trap buyers. One major red flag? The pricing. Uchiha Watches claim to sell premium quality timepieces, but often slash the price down to unbelievable deals. Sometimes price seems very low. Genuine anime-themed watches, with quality parts, usually cost way more. If it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Let's talk about reviews. On their website, you'll mostly see 5-star glowing reviews. But when I dug deeper into forums and independent platforms, the story was very different. Many buyers reported slow shipping, cheap build quality, and in some cases, not receiving the product at all. That's a serious red flag. Another issue? The lack of transparency. The website doesn't clearly share company details, physical addresses, or proper customer support. Legitimate brands are proud to share this information. Hidden details are often a sign of shady operations. So is Uchiha Watches legit or a scam? Based on what we found, unrealistic pricing, questionable customer reviews, and lack of transparency, I'd say it's safer to avoid this website. If you really want anime-inspired watches, stick to well-known stores or official merchandise providers. Don't risk your money on a website that raises so many red flags. That wraps up today's review on Uchiha Watches. Have you ever ordered from them? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And remember, stay alert, shop smart, and always double-check before buying online. This is Online Scam Advisor signing off. See you in the next video. Thank you.